Nice view of Roundstone village there from the water.
On the horizon, she is sailing to a country far away.
One of the hookers on the way in there for the race later on today.
As they wave a fond farewell to Dingle Bay.
Nice looking sight there now to see all the boats lined up. I put this song on here, I thought it was, even though it's Dingle Bay, but we're in Roundstone Bay. It's lovely to see all those boats all waiting to go on the race later on.
Joyce. Martin and John William Joyce.
Yes. There's the camera ready. I want to get a shot. Shot the camera there.
That's all right. That's part of the game. Part of the game. I think you would do the same. Huh? You think I would? Huh? You think I would? Oh, I know. No.
Second, Johnny McDonough.
Second, Johnny McDonough. Johnny McDonough second. Johnny McDonough.
Johnny McDonough in the McHugh.
Johnny McDonough in the McHugh. Johnny McDonough in the McHugh.